Hi guys, in the last video I'll show you how to install games on Steam. This time I'll show you how to actually get the games and how to uninstall after if you don't want them anymore. So first thing first, you gotta open the Steam, you gotta go store, and you basically pick any game you want, open the game, you're gonna press add to cart, view my cart, and basically you're just gonna go to payment and pay and you'll have the game. Next thing is, or you can also go to store, browse, see, free to play. So free to play, obviously, you know what free to play means, you can just get it for free. The same, you're just gonna open it and instead just gonna press add to library, that's it. After you have the game, it's gonna show up here. Doesn't matter whatever game it is, you can search it up, the one you got. So after, let's say you installed it, you played it, you don't want it anymore, right? So it's pretty simple. You just find the game you want, or in this case, not want. Let's say Headliners. You're just gonna right click, manage, uninstall, and then uninstall. That's it. It's gonna be uninstalled. After you want it again, you just find the game, install, and choose this. Hope this video helped, and see you next one. Bye.